Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Mixpanel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Mixpanel account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to create a Mixpanel account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking your analytics is an important step to help create more conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, mixpanel.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up the website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Mixpanel account, you want to click up here on the top right, get started for free. Once you do that, in order to sign up for Mixpanel, you can log in with your Google ID, or you can do what I do and enter an email address and click sign up. Okay, after processing, they sent a verification email to my email inbox. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that email. Okay, in order to create a Mixpanel account, they're going to ask for your first and last name. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, now they're asking what type of work do I do? So let me go ahead and choose what best applies. And then next. Okay, now they're asking what my role is. Okay, and now I'm going to click on submit. Okay, now when signing up for Mixpanel, they're going to ask for your organization name, how large your company is. So let me go ahead and choose one, what describes your company's industry, and then where you want your data center. So most of my clients are in the US, so I'm going to go ahead and choose there. Okay, next I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start putting together projects in my Mixpanel, adding in various users and tracking events. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Mixpanel account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.